All right, welcome back for another book talk. I'm very happy today to announce the result of Booktube Spin 2. And it's going to be a short video because that's really all I need to do for today. I was very happy to see that nice and early in the day, Rick McDonald had posted the results for Booktube Spin number 2. Of course, I'm talking about yesterday as far as when this video is posted. And the result was book number 1. Found that very exciting because I know what my book number 1 was. I don't even have to look at the pile. It's The Emotion Thesaurus, A Writer's Guide to Character Expression, 2nd edition. I've already flipped through it. I wanted to check out the pages, see what it was like when I first bought it. So I know I'm going to like it. Even though it is kind of a reference book, it is a great tool for writers as far as I can tell. And that allows me to now have a complete TBR list for May with 8 possible books for me to read for the month. Maybe I'll read them, maybe I won't, but hopefully I will be able to make this challenge work out. That's it for today. May you find strange lawn gnomes on your doorstep. Every day is a good day for a book talk. Peace.